Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will show you how to delete a quiz attempt. This can be useful if you have a student that submitted a quiz and, for whatever reasonable reason, needs to retake it. To get started, go to the Quizzes tab in the course nav bar. From there, click on the drop-down caret to the right of the quiz that has the submission you want to delete. In the menu that appears, click on Grade. Then find the student whose submission you want to delete. To delete all of the submissions by that student, click on the checkbox to the left of their name. Otherwise, to delete a specific submission, click on the checkbox to the left of that submission. Then click on the trash can icon with the word Reset to the right of it. D2L will give you a pop-up with some information on it. Read it carefully, and then click on Yes to delete the attempt. Keep in mind that finding the attempt of a student who, for whatever reason, did not finish the quiz or submit the quiz can be a little tricky. Typically, D2L considers these attempts to be in progress. If you do not immediately see the student's attempt, you might have the above scenario happening. While I don't have any students with that issue in this class, I will go over the steps on how to do it. There are two different ways to find an attempt in progress, and it's dependent on whether or not you are viewing the User tab or the Attempts tab. To find the attempt in progress in the User tab, click on Show Search Options. Where it says Restrict To, click on the drop-down menu below it. Choose Users with Attempts in Progress. In the Status section, make sure that All Evaluations is also checked. This next and final step is crucially important. Click on the magnifying glass in the search bar. Otherwise, D2L will not update the list. To find the attempt in progress in the Attempts tab, go to the Attempts tab and click on Show Search Options. Then, under Restrict To, you can choose either Attempts in Progress or All Attempts. Again, do not forget that crucial step of clicking on the magnifying glass. If you are still unable to find the student's attempt, you may need to try some of the other filters. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.